Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So if you want to create a hyperlink, what you can do is just open up your Microsoft Word, and after opening up your Microsoft Word, you can create a page and then type in anything that you like. After typing in, what you can do is just highlight the text that you would like to hyperlink. So I would like to hyperlink this text, so highlight it, and after highlighting the text, what you have to do is just tap on insert, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on insert, you can just tap on link, which is over here. Or there's another way to do that. What you can do is just right click on the text that you have highlighted and then tap on link. After tapping on link, what you can do is just enter the address, and after tapping on link, what you can do is just select a document that you would like to link it with. Or what you can do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, you can just copy the link of your website or anything that you like. For example, I'm copying the link of my YouTube. So after copying this link, what you can do is just come back to your Word and then enter the address that you have copied and then tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, here you can see the text that you have highlighted had turned blue. That means you have successfully hyperlinked it. So now what you can do is just tap on Control and then left click on the text that you have highlighted or hyperlinked. And after doing that, here you can see I have opened my YouTube after tapping on that highlighted text. So that's it guys, this is how to hyperlink in MS Word. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.